Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be unboxing and using a milk frother so you can make your own lattes at home. So, first thing we need to do, flip the switch, pull it out, open this, ta-da, ta-da. It can now fly away. Let's do this, whoosh, wiggle wiggle, as I give everyone a seizure. Okay. Cool things to note. It has a clear lid so you can watch your milk froth. It's got a power cord. Oh my. Ooh, that's cool. Little wireless sit-on thing that's way too light for the power cord, so unless you have the frother on it, it's probably not going to sit flat. You know what? Let's just leave that right there for a second. Let's actually pull out Sein Frother. Now, I was debating between getting this one and the Keurig one, but the Keurig one seemed smaller. So, by it being smaller, I like to have big cups of whatever I have. As you can see, I have a big hot chocolate cup right there. It's pretty big. So, let's give this a wiggle wiggle. The one-hander. Okay, look at that. It's got everything you need. Has a nice bowl size. Fit lots in that bowl. I think it makes 270 milliliters of hot steamed milk, which is about 12 fluid ounces, which is like a cup and a half. So, as you can see, we have this like so. Let me get everything else ready. So I'm gonna do up a chai tea latte. You need, depending on how many people are gonna be drinking this, 1 cup for one person, 2 cups for 2 people. And I've got just for a single person here. If you're going to be doing 2 cups, double it. 2 tea bags, 2 cups. You could do 3/4 teaspoon. I'm a cinnamon nut, so I do half a teaspoon. You can always reduce this if you'd like. And then, of course, 1/8 of a teaspoon for ground ginger. You could do 1/4 for, of course, double the amount of people. And I just do a tablespoon of sugar. You can always add more to your liking. And of course, if you want to do sweeteners or whatnot, like coconut sugar and blah, blah, blah. 1 cup of milk going in the salsa. This is oat milk, should say that. That's why it's got a different tinge to it. So you're not like, what's going on there? I like oat milk because I don't feel like poop afterwards. So I'm putting it on 5. After you turn the burner on, you're just heating up the milk. You're gonna start seeing bubbles around the edges. That lets you know that the milk is heated up and come to temperature. As you can see, I'm doing it on medium heat. Don't go high because you don't want it to, of course, go into a rolling boil or anything like that. Just get to start doing some bubbles. Don't know if you can see that, but it's starting to bubble around the edges like that. So we're good. Next thing to do is put your tea bag in, leave it for 5 minutes. After that, I like to, as I'm pulling the tea bag out, just run my spoon down it. Gives you a last little bit of a flavor shot. Add in your sugar or sweetener. Add in your cinnamon. Add in your ground ginger. For a nice potent blend, mix it up. Get it all nice and mixed. And then, after you've mixed this all together, it's time to put it in the frother. If you pour your blend in, you'll see for 1 cup, like I just did, will come basically right to the line. That's me pouring the whole pot in there. If you pour your blend in, you'll see for 1 cup, like I just did, will come basically right to the line. That's me pouring the whole pot in there. Next thing to do, just go ahead, take this, and then just click it once like that so it's red. If you click and hold, it'll go blue. And if it goes blue, well then it's going to end up doing a cold brew, not a warm brew. So let it do its thing in there. After that's ready, I'll show you what it looks like in the glass. Because it was already warmed up, every time I'd go to do it, it would automatically just turn off. This actually went for a good 80 seconds. Before it was only doing 15 because it would see that it's reached temperature. just leave it alone. So what I did is I did a cold brew, because then it turns off the heat of it because it's already warmed up, and just basically wanted it to froth. And voila. So I mixed it up. It is a bit frothy. Again, I'm using oat milk, so it's a bit thicker of a milk. If you're looking to do, we'll say a regular latte, maybe you aren't lactose intolerant, you'll probably get a lot more of the bubbles and stuff. Now, it tastes kind of like Starbucks, but this one is definitely spicier because I added more cinnamon than they do. Definitely give it a try if you're a chai fan, but all in all, I'm happy with it. Again, with the oat milk, I didn't expect it to froth as much. And I've also noticed even when I go to Starbucks and stuff like that, it usually doesn't froth as much, but I much prefer the taste of the oat milk. If you've never had the oat milk before, I suggest you try it. Especially in hot chocolates, I find that it adds like another component to it. All in all, I would say that it does the job, and I'm gonna try a couple other ones and we'll see how it goes. Don't take my word for it though. Watch more than one YouTube video. There's always more people doing this, and some that are way better connoisseurs than me. All right, have a great day. Thanks again for watching.